Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed. This printer is Epson Expression Home XP5150. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this gear. This printer, you can print double-sided with this printer. This printer is using Ink Cartridges 502 is what it's using. You can also use 502 extra large. With this printer, you can print 14 prints per minute for black and 7.5 print for color. Scan resolution is 1200 multiplied by 2400 dpi, and also print resolution is 4800 multiplied by 1200 dpi. This printer, you need to connect it using Epson Smart Panel, okay? And you can get this from your Google Play Store, likewise to Apple Store. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable or Wi-Fi direct, basically. But USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. What we're going to do without taking much of time is to show you, demonstrate to you how to install the Ink Cartridges. This printer is using Ink Cartridges 502, like I mentioned. So what we want to do right now is to install the Ink Cartridges, okay? But before we do that, just gonna give you overview from the back, okay? From the back, if you have any paper jam, I do get a lot of questions about paper jam, okay? This is where to check for any paper jam. Press it, open it up, okay? Check for any paper jam and debris right here. And once you're done, gently close it. There is a spring, you need to hold it together, okay? And go in, okay? It's closed right now. The power cable goes in here. 3-pin power cable included in the packaging. Now this side, we have the USB cable. Like I mentioned, USB cable is not included in the packaging. This is what it looks like. USB cable is universal. Canon can use it, Epson can use it, HP can use it, Brothers can use it, and it goes in here, okay? It goes to the side, push it inside, and this flat end, stick it to your PC, then download the software, stick the CD, okay, software disk, stick it to your PC and download the software. You can also get this software, like I mentioned, by going to your PC Play Store, download Epson Smart Panel. I'm going to show you how to connect this elsewhere on when I connect this printer via my Wi-Fi network using my mobile device, okay? So right now what we want to do is also, if you turn this printer this way, here is the scanner, flatbed scanner. You stick your document ID card you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner, and select the function from the LCD screen, okay, from the front panel. Right now, the paper tray is right here. So this is the paper tray for this printer. You can load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, ID card, okay, various size. This is the paper tray. If you want to extend it, okay, press the green and adjust it, okay? So you need to hold the green together, okay, bring it together and move to the extreme, to the end, for you to adjust it to a particular paper you are using. You can use A4 paper, 4x6, various sizes of paper. All you need to do is just need to adjust it, okay, so that it will recognize the particular paper you have here. All right, now this is where the memory stick goes. If you take a picture using your camera, then you can bring the memory card, stick it in here, then print the picture from the printer, okay? This is the essence of it. So there's a memory card space about, okay, where you stick your memory card so that you can print the document, your picture, okay? So this is the overview. To switch this printer on, this is the switch on button. So right now, make sure, so first of all, plug the printer on, okay? So we have the Ink Cartridges 4 in number we're going to install. Now the next thing you need to do is, first of all, plug the printer on, okay, to the socket, and press the on button. right now this printer is getting ready. Okay, and once you plug it on, the next you will see is languages. So you select your language. I'm United Kingdom, so select OK for United Kingdom. Then it will start to process. You can see right now it's processing. Okay, right now see what we need to do right now. Install the ink cartridges for setup that came with the printer. So open up this printer, okay, and you can see the ink cartridges holder is right. You move from the corner and straight away to the center, okay, where it's supposed to be for you to install the ink. Okay, so right now what we need to do is we need to install the ink. Now to install the ink, you need to follow the pattern. The first to go in is BK. BK is for black, okay? So open it, open the ink, okay? Pull off and don't touch, okay? Just make sure you don't touch this microchip here. And also with this, once you go inside, this plastic that cover the ink will break once you go in. So what you need to do is just need to go in, okay? You can see the way it goes. Go in straight in, okay, and push right down, okay. It's in. Okay, so the black is in. The next on the list is blue. Okay, so this is the blue. Okay, this is the blue. Okay, pull off and go in to the blue. Push it down. Okay, the next is magenta, which is red in color. Pull. Okay, so this red. Go in. Push it down. The last but not the least is yellow. Okay, so yellow. Okay, so yellow is inside. Now go in, push down. Okay, so right now this is how to install the ink. Make sure and hold it together. Make sure that everything is inside or all line up together. Okay, just make sure everything lines up together. Okay, now what you need to do is gently close the printer, close it, and okay, and select install on your printer, and it will start to process. Right now it's processing the ink install. Here we go. Right now, what it's doing right now, initialization is taking place. It's going to take around 5 minutes. It will take 5 minutes for the initialization to complete. Okay. So right, this is how to install the ink. You just need to exercise patience, and just gonna bring the camera for you to see. Can see? So right now there's a line. Okay, on the screen. You need to wait for this line to reach to the end. Okay, so initialization is what is taking place right now. So it will take about 5 minutes. So it's progressing slow and steady. Okay, it's progressing slow and steady. So you need to make sure that you follow the pattern, and once this is completed, the next we progress to install the paper and load the paper and also complete the alignment. Okay, so but I also need to check the process on my next video. Okay. So it's progressing slowly. So if we bring the camera close again for you to see, you can see the line is progressing steady. Okay, it's progressing steadily. It's powerful. It's progressing slowly. I also want to mention, like, okay, right now I can see, here we go, job is complete, initialization complete. Okay, move on to print quality adjustment. So you can see once you get to this point, you know that initialization is complete. This is what it will tell you. Okay, so this is how to install the ink cartridges, and check out my next video, okay, how to complete the alignment head. Thank you very much indeed. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed. Thank you.